Hi there and welcome to our channel. Here we talk about entrepreneurship, cryptocurrency, and mindset. And you will find our different training on these subjects by clicking on the link below this video. In today's video, I am going to show how you can earn thousands of dollars with artificial intelligence and crypto. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of future videos. We are currently witnessing an artificial intelligence revolution with applications like ChatGPT, Character AI, CapCut, Midjourney, etc. Today, I am going to talk about an application that allows you to engage in copy trading. Copy trading uses artificial intelligence to replicate the transactions of more experienced traders, allowing you to generate the same percentage of gains as these traders. Copy trading is a good option for people who are not experienced in cryptocurrency trading. Imagine having some of the best traders in the world trade on your behalf. And imagine that they are doing it for free. Today, it is possible to do just that with the help of AI. I invite you to take a look at my screen. This is the Binance leaderboard. This is where you find the ranking of the best traders in the world. And you can see the return on investment they were able to generate over the past few months. Everything is transparent, and everyone has access to this information on the internet. For example, if we click on this trader, you will see that he was able to generate an ROI of 186.09% over the past month. This means that an investment of $1,000 would have turned into $2,860 in just 1 month with this trader. Copy trading will allow you to replicate the transactions of traders like this one. And we use a trading bot to do this. The trading bot in question is called Cryptoz Bot, and you will find the link of the website below this video. So, how does the trading bot work? You will need to connect the trading bot to one of the following exchanges: Binance, CoinEx, Bybit, Binx, or Bigot. Then you need to pick the trader you would like to copy. It is recommended to choose a trader who has a good performance over a long period of time. Once you have chosen a trader, you need to fund your account and then start the bot. The bot will automatically copy all the transactions of that trader. So, each time he places an order, the same order will automatically be placed on your trading account. And you will be able to make the same returns as the trader. And note that you always have full control of your capital and can set up the risk management parameters such as sizing, limit order, and stop loss. And you can also exit the trade at any time. Usually, when you hire someone to trade on your behalf, you have to pay them a percentage of your gains. And most of the time, you're not even sure if they are actually profitable with crypto trading. But today, thanks to artificial intelligence, you can copy the transactions of the best traders in the world and benefit from the same ROI. Here are 5 advantages of copy trading. Number 1. Access to the expertise of the best. You can benefit from the knowledge and expertise of experienced traders without having to undergo a long training. Number 2. Profit potential. Copy trading allows you to take advantage of the impressive performances of successful traders, increasing your chances of making large profits. Number 3. Diversification of investments. By copying multiple traders with different strategies, you diversify your portfolio, which can reduce risks associated with a single trader or sector. Number 4. Time saving. No need to perform complex analyses or constantly monitor the markets. Copy trading allows you to save valuable time. Number 5. Skill development. By studying the strategies of the traders you copy, you can learn and improve your own investment skills. So those are the 5 advantages that copy trading can offer you. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, copy trading can be an interesting solution to improve your results. And if you are looking to make money with copy trading, you will find the link of the copy trading bot below this video. They offer 7 days free trial. Give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video. And until then, keep smiling. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comments section below. See you in the next video, and until then, keep smiling.